In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post on LinkedIn. Editing a post is a great way to fix a typo, update details, or adjust who can see it after it's already live. To start, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. You'll land on your LinkedIn homepage, where your feed shows updates from your connections and the pages you follow. This is the main hub, but to find your own post quickly, we'll head to your profile. Tap your profile photo in the top left corner of the screen. That opens your profile, which lists your headline, experience, and recent activity. Scroll down until you reach the activity section. This area summarizes what you've shared and engaged with. Look for the option that says Show All Posts and tap it. This view filters your activity to display every post you have shared, making it easy to locate the one you want to change. Browse through the list and find the post you want to edit. When you see it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post. This is the More menu, which holds actions related to the post. From the menu, select Edit Post. You'll be taken into an editing screen where you can make changes. Here you can refine your caption, clarify your message, or update any details that need to be current. If your post includes mentions or topics, you can adjust those to improve relevance. You can also change the audience so the right people see it, for example, switching between connections and a broader public audience, depending on your goals. As you edit, aim for clear, concise wording and double-check for spelling and tone so your message reads the way you intend. Keep the core purpose of the post in mind. Small improvements can make a big difference in engagement and professionalism. When everything looks good, tap Save in the top right corner. Your post will update immediately. The new version replaces the old one in your feed and on your profile, so anyone who views it from now on will see the corrected information. If you don't see changes right away, give the app a moment to refresh or revisit your profile's posts list to confirm the update. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently edit any post on LinkedIn, keeping your profile accurate and your message on point.